Meaning of encyclopedic.
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 Encyclopedic. Encyclopedic refers to something that is comprehensive and covers a wide range of topics or knowledge in a particular subject area. When someone has an encyclopedic knowledge of a topic, they have an extensive understanding of it and can provide detailed information on various aspects of it. Encyclopedic works, such as encyclopedias or databases, contain vast amounts of diverse information arranged in a systematic manner. In general, something that is encyclopedic is thorough, exhaustive, and inclusive of all relevant information within a certain domain or field of study.